Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 14 December 2021. And today's video topic is calling and its return type of method. So, in Java, a uh, return type in Java, we know that a method is a function declared inside a class and that contains a group of statement that is used to perform a certain task or processing data in a program to expected result. So method can accept the data outside and also return the result. And to return the result, a return statement is inside the method to come out it to calling method. Java return is a keyword that is used to exit from the method only, with or without returning a value. Every method is declared a return type in a Java, and it's mandatory to Java methods. Return type may have primitive data type like integer, float, double, reference type, void type, which represent return nothing. So when we method is called the method may return value to caller method. Let's take an example of a program. We create a public class that's name is test, and in that class we will create a integer square in bracket integer num, and return num into num, and we create a main method that is in that main method we call object that test t is equal to new tester, and we will display the result. We will uh, we will we will store it using variable type integer square of number is equal to t dot square bracket in bracket 20. So display the result sysout println in bracket square of 20 is square of number, that's output shows square of 20. This is example of a calling method return type. So method with void type. Void represent return nothing. A return type void is used there is no return value. Method with return type and value, it for method having integer, double, float other than void, we must return a value compatible with the declared return type by using the return statement. If you are not returning of any value, it will generate error message like missing return statement. So how to return primitive values, how to return primitive values let's take an example program where will be return primitive values like integer, float, character, that's all. That is public. We will create a class that name is sample, and we will uh, create a method that method is we will create a three method similarly, and in print main method which uh, create a object that name sample s is equal to new sample, and the result shows m method return value, m2 method return value, and m3 method return value. These are the example of primitive values. And how to return class object in Java. In the real-time project, we will return a different class object as returning value. You must remember that Java cares about type. So these are the example of a return calling of return types. So that's all. Thank you.